Diamond Painting Addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting unboxing. This is a kit from a new to me company called Mystical Dream Diamonds, and I've been waiting on this kit. It finally arrived, so we're going to open it up and see what it's like. Let me get everything out of the box, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've got my drills here, and you can see this is a round drill kit. It does look like there's a couple of ABs in here, or at least one. And looking right here at the edge, maybe there's some fairy dust in there too. We get a pretty standard toolkit, boat, some wax. There's a pin with a 3-placer attached. There's a scrunchie, and there are tweezers. So pretty standard toolkit. What kit did I purchase? Because I did get stickers. I purchased one called Little Seahorse. So it says it's round resin plus 2 ABs plus 3 mystical dust. So that must be the 3 fairy dust. So there's the 2 ABs listed and then the 3 fairy dust. So that's good to know. Lots of colors, 55 colors. This is only a 40 by 40 kit, so it's not huge. That's actually a lot of colors for a 40 by 40. So let's look at the stickers because it did come with stickers. And you can see the sticker sheet here again with a picture of the cute little seahorse. These stickers are probably going to be a little bit too big for what I want to use them for, so I'll probably cut off the serial numbers here and just use the symbol with the DMC code, but good that they have the DMC codes on there. And 1 is 1, 2 is 2, etc. A backwards G, that's interesting. Not sure I like that P and R are almost the same color. We'll see how that works out. Backwards Z. All right, nothing too crazy on here. Like I said, 55 colors. And then we'll have a little sticker here to put on our logbook. So let's grab the canvas and we'll look at it. I will, of course, as always, take B-roll so that you guys can see the whole canvas up close, but I just thought this little seahorse was super duper cute. And I like the kind of teal colors of all of the background. It does look like you can tell the R's and P's apart, but yeah, I wish they were not the same color or so close together. Other than that, I don't see anything that looks like it would throw me off. The canvas is nice, soft lint on the back. It is scalloped and perforated so it won't fray. It's a nice thick cover sheet. It's nice and sticky where it needs to be. We do get a color list on both sides. 55 colors, so it pretty much covers both sides. Yeah, I just thought this one was super cute. So far, I'm pretty happy with this one. So let's see, it's supposed to be 40 by 40. So it is 39.9 this way and 39.5 this way. So pretty close to 40 by 40 for the actual drill field. So I just thought he was super cute. I love seahorses anyway. I've done several kits of seahorses now that I think about it. I've done a Diamond Dots one that was double seahorses. That one I really liked doing. And then I did a budget kit that was a seahorse as well. Anyway, I just think they're super duper cute with their little curly tail and their little fins and everything. So, and like I said, I like the color scheme of this one. So just looking at these, you can see all of the different colors. So there's lots of blues and teals, but there's also pink and orange. I'm assuming for a couple of the fish and some coral. And then we've got some kind of salmon colors, some greens, some blues. And we've got our fairy dust here at the end. There's a blue fairy dust and kind of a turquoise fairy dust and another dark blue fairy dust. And then we've got like a gray AB and a dark gray AB. So where do the fairy dust go? So some of the fairy dust go here in the actual seahorse. Some are over here on the sides in the kelp and the coral. There's a second fairy dust here on the body of the seahorse. And then the 2 ABs, the lighter one goes in its eye and some of this up here. So highlights of different places. And then the second one is also highlights of different places. Some of it up here on the head of the seahorse and some of it various other places for fish and just highlights of parts of the sea. So yeah, I think this guy is going to be super duper cute and I can't wait to get started on this one. I'm glad the box on this one survived a little bit better. It was a box within a box this time rather than just a box being taped over. So I think it survived the trip a little bit better. This one I paid $55 for, and I'll stick a link down in the bottom to this particular kit. They had lots of other things. I just thought this one was cute, and it was a smaller size, so I thought I could get it done in a reasonable amount of time. Well, this might be a cute one to do as a second kit for our water diamond paint along in August as a theme for that theme. I'll have to think about that. All right, leave me a comment down below and let me know, have you ever done anything from Mystical Dream Diamonds before? It is Mystical Dream Diamonds, not Mystical Dream whatever I thought it was. See, now I can't even remember what it was. What was I calling it? It's Mystical Dream Diamonds. See, I've forgotten what I was saying wrong. So, all right. Anyway, let me know if you've done one of these kits before. What did you think of the quality? What do you think of this one? I think this one is going to be super cute and I can't wait to see. So I may actually start getting this kitted up for August so that I can do this one after I finish my Ocean Breeze one for the water theme. I didn't even think about that. I just saw this cute seahorse and ordered it. Impulse shop much? All right. I think that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.